I'm Annie Godios-Young, and this is Lady Anne from Macbeth. Yet here's the spot. Out! Damn spot! Out, I say! 1, 2, 1. 'Tis time to do it. Hell is murky! Fie, my lord, fie, a soldier and afeard. What need we fear who knows it, when none can call our power to account? Yet who would have thought the old man has so much blood in him? The Thane of Fife had a wife. Where is she now? What? Will these hands ne'er be clean? No more of that, my lord, no more of that. You mar all with this starting. Here's the smell. Smell of the blood still. Oh, the perfumes of Arabia will not sweeten this little hand. Oh! Wash your hands. Put on your nightgown, look not so pale. I'll tell you yet again, Banquo's buried, and cannot come out of his grave. To bed. To bed. There's a knocking at the gate! Come. Come. Come, give me your hand. What's done cannot be undone. To bed. To bed. To bed.